Hey guys, welcome to Token Red Box. Today I'm gonna show you healthy, fruity, vegan, sugar-free ice lollies. Let's get to it. Get 200 grams of cherries and 1 banana. Blend it up. Add 200 grams of frozen strawberries and make sure it blends well. Mix in around 300 grams of full-fat coconut milk and 2 tablespoons of rum. Pour it into your lollies mold and freeze it up. You can use fruit of your choice. I am adding rum because it helps to keep it slightly softer. Because the more alcohol and sugar you use, the softer your ice cream will be. And that's it. Enjoy!
Now you've got yourself something funky.